Good day, Sir Jomel Acabado. I am John Jairo J. Casimiro from BSc 3C. And this is my requirements for my midterm examination that I didn't take last month. Number 1, complementary doctrines. Principles that support and reinforce other policing doctrines in law enforcement operation. Number 2, advocacy planning. Planning that promotes public safety policies and community interests through police initiatives. Number 3, ethical doctrine. Moral principle guiding proper conduct and decision making of criminology professionals. Number 4, local plan. Security and crime prevention plan. Implemented at the barangay or city level. Number 5, regional plan. Coordinated law enforcement plans covering several provinces or region. Number 6, national plan. Nationwide strategy addressing peace, order, and crime prevention. Number 7, long-range plan. A plan designed for future crime control and organizational development. Number 9, incremental planning. Planning done gradually through small, manageable steps. Number 10, counterclockwise. Patrol movement conducted in a lowered circular direction for area coverage. Number 11, straightway pattern. Patrol conducted along a straight route or main road. Number 12, crisscross pattern. Patrol pattern that crosses streets alternately to maximize visibility. Number 13, clockwise pattern. Patrol movement following a rightward circular direction. Number 14, freewheeling pattern. Random patrol movement without a fixed route to deter crime unpredictably. Number 15, anti-terrorism. Law enforcement action aimed at preventing and responding to terrorist threats. Number 16, anti-bank robbery. Police measure focus on preventing and responding to bank robberies. Number 17, highway robberies. Crime involving theft or violence against travelers on roads or highway. Number 18, anti-squatting. Enforcement against illegal occupation of land or structures. Number 19, field procedures. Police action performed outside headquarters such as arrest and investigation. Number 20, headquarters procedures. Administrative and operational processes conducted within police office. Number 21, special operation procedure. Guidelines for handling high risk or unusual police operation. Number 22, SWAT. Special Weapon and Tactics Unit. Handling critical and dangerous situation. Number 23, SAP. Special Action Forces. Trained for counter-terrorism and high-risk law enforcement missions. Number 24, terrorist attack. A violence act intended to create fear and disrupt public safety for political or ideological reason. Number 25, operational plan. A detailed plan outlining police action to achieve a specific mission. Number 26, Bantay Kali. Community-based patrol program involving civilians and police cooperation. Number 27, anti-illegal fishing. Law enforcement efforts to stop unlawful fishing activities. Number 28, anti-illegal drugs. Police operation aimed at preventing drugs trafficking and abuse. Number 29, synoptic approach. A comprehensive planning method considering multiple factors at once. Number 30, fundamental doctrines. Base principle forming the foundation of police operation. Number 31, incremental approach, step-by-step planning and decision-making in law enforcement. Number 32, operational doctrines, guidelines governing how police operation are conducted. Number 33, transactive approach, planning approach that emphasize interaction among stakeholders. Number 34, functional doctrines, principle defining specific police function and responsibilities. Number 35, advocacy approach, policing approach promoting community welfare and justice reform. Number 36, internal security operation, police and military action to suppress internal threats to peace and order. Number 37, radical approach, strategy that seek immediate and major change to solve security problem. Number 38, non-lethal approach, use of tactics and tools that minimize risk of death. Number 39, contingency plan, backup plan prepared for unexpected emergencies or crisis. Number 40, less lethal approach, use of force intended to reduce fatalities such as tasers or batons. Number 41, lethal approach, use of deadly force when necessary to protect lives. Number 42, patrol, the act of monitoring an area to prevent crime and ensure public safety. Number 43, foot patrol, patrol conducted by police officer on foot. Number 44, vehicle patrol, patrol using vehicles for mobility and community engagement. Number 45, automotive patrol, patrol conducted using police vehicles. Number 46, motorcycle patrol, patrol using motorcycles for quick response and traffic control. Number 47, aircraft patrol, aerial surveillance using helicopters or aircraft. Number 48, cloverleaf pattern, a patrol route resembling a cloverleaf to cover multiple areas efficiently. Number 49, second mainstream, modern policing approach emphasizing professionalism and reform. Last number 50, first mainstream, traditional policing focus on law enforcement and crime control.